This is called the Scumbag Song.
Ballad 2.
That's a little over
exaggerated.
Yep.
That's okay. This is a scumbag song dedicated to my friend and her boyfriend and Kiana. And this is how it goes. My friend has a boyfriend. He's a scumbag. He sits on the couch and eats shit like weed with his mom.
Fucking eats weed.
He wears my sweatshirts every day and man thongs. He likes to fuck girls in his car.
He doesn't even own a car.